Having some big news coming in. Home Ministry now to issue a notice to 3 West Bengal officers and seek a clarification from the state government on why they've not been released from central deputation. Home Ministry had ordered the transfer of 3 IPS officers to Delhi who were responsible for providing security to BJP National President JP Nadda, and the TMC government had refused to relieve them. A notice likely to Bengal Chief Secretary and DGP for ignoring summons. Let's quickly cut across to Kamalji joining us live. Kamalji, here the Home Ministry all set to issue a notice to West Bengal officers and seek a clarification from the state as to why they've not been released for central deployment as yet. Remember, TMC have been crying foul, saying that this is not under the jurisdiction of the centre to remove the IPS officer and deploy them at the centre without the permission of the state government. The state government was superseded, is their allegation.
There is definitely an all-out war between the TMC and the BJP, which is also the West Bengal government as well as the central government led by the BJP. Now, what is happening is that the IPS and IS officers seem to be caught in a sort of a crossfire. One, because remember the Chief Secretary had recently written to the Union Home Secretary saying that despite summons, they will not be appearing since they were acting upon the P. Nadda convoy attack case. Saying 3 FIRs have been registered and 7 persons have been arrested. Sooner than that, there was also an order by MHA of deputation of 3 of the IPS officers who were part of the security team. The TMC government has been saying that this is a vindictive action. Remember, for Mamata Banerjee, it's important to defend her own flock. And they have been citing rules. But remember, there is a quota according to which the centre can take away officers on central deputation from state. But what TMC has been alleging is that this has been done deliberately. This is more like a punishment posting. The other is, will they be able to actually take clearance from state government if they were posting these officers out? Remember, the matter can only be settled in court. But at this point of time, it's a war of words which is taking place, each actually talking about the protocol, each standing its own ground. But here, the show cause notice will go to West Bengal government, and remember, a reply will come in. But this is going to start a series of fresh letters between both the sides. This will not immediately mean that they will release these particular officers. It only means the war of words is going to intensify.
It's indeed unprecedented there. Kamalji, thank you very much for joining us with those details. West Bengal upping its ante against the centre as the centre gets ready to issue a letter questioning the government for not releasing the IPS officers as ordered.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.